To give you a present to say happy birthday because
Thank
you
you.
are our family.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Open it.
I'm 28.
You're 28 years old.
38.
Open it, my youth. Joshua, you go for the color. Go ahead.
This was mommy.
Simone and Tamia, y'all are
Mommy's
here to
40.
witness that he got a present from
Mommy's
us
40.
because we're family.
I am not 40.
But am I one? My youth. Am I one them here? Present from us? My youth. This is my stuff. And the present is. And I'm getting excited like, whoa, yes. You. My other present is I left this in your car.
My youth, but I'm giving you them back as a present now.
But
Happy birthday.
Surprise!
My youth, wow, you throwing it back?
my youth, this is my stuff, brother.
I feel hurt.
You feel hurt? You feel hurt, Philip? Or me feel? I was
This is such a nice bag. Give me that.
I was so excited. I was happy, my youth. I'm coming to say, all right, at least my remember me. In my youth, and he bring me my own stuff in his stinking bag, my youth.
Wow.
You kidding?
Wow. My,
Are you?
a Joshua idea.
No, are you Josh?
My Joshua idea.
My youth think, I'm excited in the mind. I'm saying, yes. Mr. Joshua with bag. So I'm not happy me.
Well, may put this on the youth page.
Who should be